Hello guys, today we'll learn how to combine the several files with the same attributes from the one folder. For that we just need to request the folder, use the address of the folder, and just we have 3 files. Let's transform data. Let's see these files and we can click this combine files or just here combine files. We combine files by template. Let the first file will be our template. And what we see here, we see that we have expression error. What does it mean? It means like we have the same attributes, but the different tabs, name of the tabs. So let's go to the sample file or transform file, and here we have sheet parameter. So let's change the source by 0 because it will be request the first tabs of the our files, and let's go to the files and we will see that error is fixed. That's all. Thank you guys. That's all you need to know.